Boys and girls, how are we all doing? Welcome back to another episode of Car Talk, showing stock, previewing stock. It's all going on, I'll be honest with you. So we're still during the lockdown, week 4 of lockdown. I'm very lucky enough that I've built up such a stock list over the years. This was all going to be the rainy day fund for me. So, well, time is going on. I can't replace it. I started counting earlier. I've probably got about 2,500 to 3,000 models, all this sort of stuff, which I've kept aside, which was going to be like a pension one day. But, I think times are happening at the minute where if I can start repopulating the stock, if you like, putting it in there, giving people the opportunity to buy it, dealers, customers, and also to show it to you guys. So a couple of vintage bits I've pulled out. Literally, excuse the mess now, but this is what I'm currently working with at the minute. Loads and loads of CQ. Literally loads of CQ. I've got about 400 mint box models from 70s through to early 90s, so but that's another video. So what I'm going to do here is show you a little bit of Matchbox. So many of you have messaged, George, put some Matchbox in, let's see some Matchbox. Here's some Matchbox. A couple of bits I've picked out, some lovely examples as well. What I've been trying to do with the stuff is, this isn't even my collection, right? My collection is separate again. This is just stuff I've put for stock, ready for times when I need it. So, and I can't go out and buy stock from here, there and everywhere during lockdown. So use times that I need it. And when I hold stuff back, I generally tend to hold as near mint stuff as I can find. Just check out some of these. But before we do that, I'm going to show you this pre-war Singapore flying boat. Dinky toys, of course. There's no casting fatigue, no problems at all with this. Check out that. How gorgeous is that? Literally, how gorgeous is that? Of course, the 2 holes on there, they're meant to be there. How pretty is that? It's just such a great looking model. I love it with the propellers up front and the propellers around the back as well. I think it's such a good generic, just, makes you think of like wartime, doesn't it? But that's brilliant. I love that. I completely love that. And over in the back as well, I don't know if you noticed in the last video, I showed a blue Capri in the 125 scale. So I thought this week I'll bring out the white police version, which is absolutely stunning. And I thought next video I might bring out the red rally version. Just because I've got them all there ready to go. Look how minty that is. That's just marks on the case. And the car itself is gorgeous. The condition on that, boys and girls, absolutely stunning. Love it, absolutely love it. I think that's such a gorgeous model. Let's pop that back. And here we go, Lesney stuff. So here we go. Got the lovely Ford D series over here. That's gorgeous, isn't it? And these boxes are quite crispy on these as well. A couple of the cars got a few faint paint chips. Nothing major, but that's a lovely looking gritter. And of course we've got this. Check out this. I love the decal on the back of them as well. The Weather Hill hydraulic, of course, fully working as well. That's nice. One of my favourites as well. The Pickfords. I think that's gorgeous. Condition on this is absolutely stunning. Now the one thing, factory thing on this is, look at that, under the decal. It must be the way it's been applied, and air's got in it over time. But it's, that would have been, because the decals are factory on it, so that would have happened previously. That's why I kept this back. Not so much because it's got a slight bit of damage on it, just because it's quite unique. I love that about it, because look at it, it's stunning. It's very near mint aside from that, how crisp that is. Of course, then you've got the Verti Caravans. I absolutely love these as well, a little on toe. You're talking just 1950s here, You're going back like 60 years or more. Now this is nice. I love the fact as well, it's got an original price sticker on that box. I've kept that on there, which is actually, top one is 50, underneath is 37 cents. So I don't know where it was sold, but it could be Canada, America, anything like that. For these refreshment trucks, I think these are fantastic. Grey wheels as well. If I can quite do that one-handed, I'm not going to prize on it too much. Just look at that. How pretty is that? The blue base on it as well. One little factory paint bubble on the roof, look. That is factory, it's definitely all original. Then next up we've got a Foden. Now these go really, really well. Every time I have these, they seem to sell. And they are climbing in value as well. But that's, that's pretty much mint, and that's as mint as you're going to get. Absolutely perfect. I love it. That's not even a chip here. That's where the paint has run on it, because there's a bit of a raised bit in the casting and hasn't necessarily dried on it properly. But that's lovely. We got a bit of Bedford action. A milk truck. Check that. How lovely is that? White base, green, grey wheels. Again, totally factory original. I've got so many Lesneys that I just keep out the site because I've been collecting them as well, but holding them back as well. Not even like my own collection, just the shop stock stuff. It's a lovely little example, isn't it? What I love about these early ones as well, not even numbered on the base, so not even telling what it is, etc. Obviously, I know it's a number 22. That's quite nice. Little nick there, and that is just like the hood emblem has either been done in the factory or that's been added at some point to it. Aside from that, very, very nice. And let's take you down here, because I think that's one of the nicest looking in this little bunch, the opal. Bit of chrome in there. It's such a great looking model. Tow wear on the back, of course. I always like to line these up with like the pink and yellow caravans, if you know the ones I'm on about, with the double axles on them. But there we go. That's literally, I know that's not as long as usual, but I thought it's a few little bits. It's some Matchbox as well. You let me know what you want to see, because I'm thinking I might bring out a whole bunch of mint carded red lines for you to see soon as well, which they are my private collection. But I've got, you know, the beach bombs, everything all carded, and I've taken a long time to buy those and a lot of money to buy them. But where do you see them? You don't. So there we go. That's a little video. I hope everyone is staying safe in the lockdown. Don't forget, all of these are for sale. I'm going to go on and list them all on eBay this evening. So this video will probably drop in the next couple of days, if not early next week. So you can, well, you can see them. And also there's a lot of rare Batmobile stuff I've listed as well. 1960s and 70s stuff, Aurora kits, all that stuff. Amazing, rare stuff. So don't forget, link in the description for the eBay shop. If not, Google Jones Vintage World, and it'll bring you in. Also, follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I am posting up on there daily as well. So until next time, take it easy, boys and girls.